Welcome back again, everybody. This is our 8th video in creating a custom WordPress template. This video, we're going to go through modularizing our code, and then if we've got time, we're going to get into advanced custom fields. So, modularize your code. So, I've been talking a little bit about that, and what that means is separating parts of your website so you only have one area to make changes. For example, we have our main nav up here, okay? And I want that to display on every single page. Let's see, if I click on About Us, it's not there because I didn't copy that code over there. But what we want to do is to make that all editable. Okay, so what we can do, I can copy this whole head section right here, delete it, paste it in a new file, and save it and call it page header.php. Okay. If you remember at the beginning of these videos, I created the includes folder, and I'm going to place that in there. Page header.php, you can call that whatever you want, but essentially everything that's going to be in this is just my header. Okay, I've got my logo and I've got my main nav, because if I want to change a link or add a link here, if I want to change this to be contact, I only want to do that once in my whole site. I don't want to go through every single page and then make that edit. So what we do, since I removed it here, what we're going to do is there is a PHP call that allows us to modularize our code. Now, granted, there's another way that you can do it with PHP, but WordPress actually has a custom way to modularize your code, and we're going to use that way. We're going to stick with the WordPress way, and that is get template part. Okay, and then in here, you're going to set up this, and then it's going to be, let's see, I think it was includes, and then it's page header. And then that's all. You don't have to put the file type in there. So theoretically, now that I've saved it, everything should look exactly the same. If it doesn't, I broke something. Perfect. It's there. In fact, we can tell because contact has been updated. Now, if I go to do About Us, it's still not there. But what I can do is I can copy this code and then go to my About page that I closed out. Page templates, About, and then I can paste that right there. And then guess what? Boom. Shows up. That's modularizing your code. It's very effective. It makes your code lean, and it makes it easy for you to change. It's actually a really easy concept. So all you have to do is get template part. You can modularize anything. Obviously, there's a fine line in doing that. You don't want to modularize every single bit of your code. Rule of thumb is modularize parts that you use often or reuse. Back to the anatomy of WordPress that I've been showing you throughout these videos, this is modularized right here. Your header, your logo, your sidebar, the footer. So I want my sidebar to be modularized because I'm just going to be reusing that everywhere. So you can modularize whatever part you want. I like to just take the whole section here. You can just go inside it right here. You can just cut that out, open a new file, paste that, and then call this sidebar.php. Takes forever to get here. Sidebar.php. Perfect. So that way you can just go like this. And then we can actually just copy this section here. just go sidebar. Again, nothing on our website should change. We're going to go back home. Perfect. Nothing changed, which means it worked. You can do it a bunch of different ways. I know people that like to leave the call in here, and I know people that like to just keep it lean and just put it right there. I can see both sides. Part of me likes it like this way because you know exactly what section you're modularizing, but this is a little bit more leaner, so it kind of just depends. Whatever suits you. Anyways, so that's modularizing your code. And you want to use that, again, only parts of your website that you're going to use often or reuse. Obviously, you don't want to get too crazy. My page header, I had the logo and the main nav. I don't think it'd be wise to have two separate, like one logo, one main nav, when you can just put them together. So just be smart about it. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep it really short and kind of show you guys how to do that and how to keep it, effective. That way, theoretically, the only thing that you have to really worry about is just building out this section here, the loop or the body content. This is the only thing that should be on every page. You should call that, and call that modularized. So that's how you modularize your WordPress template. Also goes for PHP as well. PHP actually has its own commands to modularize your code. I'm not going to get into that just because that's not what these videos are about. Okay, so if you've got questions, put them down below. I'll try and respond to you guys. Again, like, share, all that social media crap. All right, see you next time.